Good morning, children. So we are discussing about the prime numbers and composite number, no, children. So prime numbers. Yesterday you completed textbook page number 69, crossing out and rounding up the prime numbers. What the numbers which are circled, those are all will be called as a prime numbers, children. So based on this table, okay, based on this table, you are going to be do the sums in textbook page number 70. Okay, in textbook page number 70, 3 sections are there. So up to now what we discussed about the prime numbers, about the composite numbers and definitions, those are all based on that. A and B, section 1, section 2 you are having the sums, and section 3 there are the fill in the blanks are there. So based on the information what you have learned, and based on that how to fill in the blanks. Okay, and next after that, after completing this work, no children, next open your classwork. And in the classwork, I am going to say about a few definitions about the factorization and about the prime factorization. Okay, so now everyone take out your textbook page number 70. So in textbook page number 70, the first one, write the prime numbers between 30 to 50. So the prime numbers between 30 to 50 here. If you turn page number 69, in this table 1 to 100 numbers, in between 30 to 50, so which are the numbers you are circled? See, 31 you circled, 33 you circled, 37 circled, and 39 circled. Like that, which are the numbers are circled? Those are all below 50. It means observe these two lines and write which numbers are circled, and write that all the numbers in page number 70. In page number 70, the first blank. Got it? And second one, write the prime numbers between 70 and 100. So last 3 rows. Last 3 rows you have to observe. In these 3 rows, which numbers you circled, that numbers have to write in the blank. Okay, next second one, write all the composite numbers between 1 to 20. So the composite numbers with the numbers which are you crossed out, except 1. 1 you should not write. Okay, except 1. What the numbers you crossed out? Those are all will be considered the composite numbers, children. So that composite numbers between 1 to 20. It means first in between 1 to rows, which numbers you crossed out, that all have to write it here. Next, 50 and 60. So again in 50 and 60 between, which numbers are you crossed out? That numbers have to write it here. Clear? Next, question number, fill in the blanks. The smallest prime number is, which is the smallest prime number, children? We discussed now. Yes, 2 is the smallest prime number. The only even prime number, same answer. The smallest 2-digit number, prime number is the smallest 2-digit prime number. 1, 1, 11. If a number has more than 2 factors, they are called dash numbers. If the numbers are having more than 2 factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. And dash is neither a prime nor a composite number. Already you know that one. What is that? Yes, one is a neither prime nor a composite number. Like that, how to complete the fill in the blank, children. Okay, so after writing the fill in the blank, now everyone open your Max classwork book, children. Okay, so in the Max classwork book, write the heading prime factorization. Prime factorization. Underline. So first, what is called factorization? The definition of the factorization. So write down, give one finger gap and write the heading factorization. Okay, so down of that right hand, writing, give 2 fingers gap and write this definition. Writing a given number, as a product, of two or more numbers factorization. For example, find the factors of 15. Okay. Solution. 15. How we can write, children? 15 ones are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Or you can write 1 15s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Apart from these, any in other table these are multiple? No. So it means you can write in U shape, children. Okay. Now factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. It means, so what we have written here? We are writing the product as 2 or more numbers. Okay, so these will be called as a factorization. Got it? U shape 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, so next, continue. Next heading. Copy it, children, everyone. Prime factorization. Next heading. Prime factorization. Write the heading prime factorization. Okay, down of that, give 2 fingers gap and write. Writing a given number. Writing a given number as a product of 2 or more prime numbers. 2 or more prime numbers. 2 or more prime numbers is called prime factorization. Is called prime factorization. Okay, so look at the board. Only we have to use the prime numbers to find the factors. Example, prime factors of 12. Okay, solution 12, you can write 6 2s are 12, isn't it? But 6 is not a prime number. So what you are doing here? Look at the board, children, everyone. Actually 2 into 6 is the answer. But 2 is a prime number, so we can use the 2. This 6 is a no. Instead of 6, have to use 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. It means the factors of 12 is 2 into 3. So to find the division or to find the prime factorization, we have to use only 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that prime numbers. In one more way, we can say that using the prime numbers doing the simplification or using the prime numbers doing the division is known as prime factorization. Okay, so like this the prime factorization will be. Now in the prime factorization also 2 methods are there. First you copy this neatly, children. Everyone copy it neatly. So after writing that, in the next page you can write methods of prime factorization. Next page, write down, children, methods of prime factorization. Underline. Okay, methods of prime factorization. First, method 1. Method 1. Factor tree method. Factor tree method. Factor tree method. T-R-E-E, tree children, not T-H-R-E. So, example 24. Okay, and now how to find using the prime factorization, the factor tree method. Factor tree method. So, look at the both children. 24 I am writing here and circle 2 table. How many times? 2 12s are 24, isn't it? Next, this number is this is the trunk from the branches. 2 again, 2 table. How many times? 2 6 are. Okay, next 6 is there now. 6 again have to multiply. How many times? In 2 table? 3 are. Okay, the answer what we are writing, that will be comes under the factors. So you can write factors of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is called as a prime factor tree method. Next, method 2. Method 2. Division method. Division method. Okay, division method. So, example 36. Write 36 children, and you can so now using the division method. 36. So all the only prime numbers have to use. I said no. So 2 table. 2 1s are 2, and from 3 if you minus 2, the 1 is remainder. The 1 I have written before the 6. So now the value of the 6 becomes 16. In 2 tables, 16 divide 8 times. 18 we got. So what is the quotient will be? The quotient have to write down of the number. Okay children. So next again 2 table. 2 9s are 18. Okay. So next 9. 9 in which table it is possible? 3 table. 3 also one of the prime number. No. So 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table. 3 1s are 3. We have to do the division until we get the 1. So you have to remember children, in division method you will be get the remainder as a 1, not as a 0. So now write it, factors of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so one is factor tree method, one more one division method. Okay, so after multiplying these numbers, we should get here 24 as the answer and here 36 as the answer. If you are not getting the same answers, then you may did the wrong. Okay, so write it neatly children about the prime factorization.